NCERT filter is from the table 7.3 regarding the 15th group elements and oxides. Okay, so in this lot of confusion are there, and as per the recent pattern, number of integer questions have increased. So you have to modify your notes according to the integer type questions. Okay, and they are focusing on these things that's as aggregated. Now, what are those? First of all, number of colored oxides. Okay. For the integer type it will be 2. And what are the color oxides? N2O3. N2O3 is blue color. It is also called as a sesic oxide. What it is called as? Sesic oxide, and NO2 brown color. Okay. Now next number of gaseous oxide, liquid oxide and solid oxide. Gaseous oxides are 3. Liquid oxide is 1 and solid oxides are 3. Okay. And here we can find this N2O4. There is ambiguity, but in NCERT it is given solid oblique liquid. That's why I am counting N2O4 in the both of them. Okay. So solid oblique liquid of ambiguity is given. So we can claim if it is given in the solid and you are taking it, or if it is given in the liquid and you are selecting that, still you will get marks because of the NCERT authorization. Okay. So liquid oxides are 1 and solid oxides are 3. Especially you can see more number of hydrogens, okay, and more number of oxygen. Once number of oxygens are beyond 3, then only they will be in solid state. Whichever oxide is having less than the 3 oxygen per molecule, either will be liquid or gaseous state. That means more atomic molecular size, then more will be the tendency to exist in the solid state. This way you can remember. This you will remember sesic oxide and blue color, and it is colored only in the monomeric state. Okay. Next number of acidic oxide and neutral oxides. See here, actually these are the, why they are called acidic oxide, just because on pouring the water, when you add the water to them, they will give you the acids. So N2O3 when it is given with water, it will give you the nitrous acid. And N2O4 when it is added with water, it is give the mixture of the nitrous acid and nitric acid. So this is a mixed oxide of nitrous acid and nitric oxide, and it is only nitrous acid acidic anhydride. This is nitric acid acidic anhydride. Okay. Next neutral oxide, they will never give you any acid on reaction with water. Nitrous acid and nitric oxide. Nitric oxide and nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide and nitric oxide. Okay. Next there are paramagnetic. Okay, paramagnetic means there should be at least one of the unpaired electron must be there. Okay. So here NO, it is a special example in chemical bonding also we have studied. It is an odd electron molecule. 7 plus 8 we are getting an odd number. So odd number means obviously there will be one unpaired electron, therefore it is paramagnetic in nature. In NO2, due to the presence of one unpaired electron, it is paramagnetic. NO2 only in the NO2 form, not N2O4 form. NO2 form only it is paramagnetic and brown color. Once it is cooled, then it will dimerize to give N2O4. It loses its paramagnetic nature as well as colored nature. These are the extracts of table 7.3. Like this you can make in every oxides of 15th group and 16th group also.